Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve a LRDI set. Before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us. Our Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for the video. So the question says that 4 persons Kishan, Ratan, Latif and Pawan work in a factory, and on each day they have to fill water in 9 containers which are arranged in 3 rows and 3 columns on the factory floor. Each container has a capacity of 100 liters. The 9 containers are numbered as shown in the following figure. However, some of the 9 containers are defective, that is, they have a hole in the bottom, because of which any quantity of water poured into these containers will be drained out fully in not more than 10 minutes. The 4 persons will fill the containers on each day in the following manner. At exactly 9 am, Kishan fills each of the containers 1, 2, 4 and 9 with 20 liters of water. At exactly 11 am, Ratan fills the containers to the immediate right of the containers which are not empty. Ratan also fills any container with exactly 20 liters of water. At exactly 1 p.m., Latif fills all the containers which are immediately below the containers which are not empty. Latif also fills any container with exactly 20 liters of water. At exactly 3 p.m., Pawan fills all the containers which are to immediate left of the container which are not empty. Pawan also fills any container with exactly 20 liters of water. At 6 p.m., all the water in the containers are used for cleaning in the machines in the factory. Until 6 p.m., the water in the containers are not consumed in any way. So the first thing which we are going to do is we are going to find out who is going to fill what all containers. Okay, so let's make the containers for ourselves. Okay, so this is container 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, now see, Kishan is going to fill 1, 2, 4 and 9. So let's say Kishan, Kishan, Kishan and Kishan. Okay, after that it is Ratan who is going to fill immediate right. So Ratan, Ratan, Ratan. Okay, after that it is Latif who is going to fill immediately below. Okay, so Latif, Latif and Latif. Also Latif and Latif. Then we have Pawan who is going to fill immediate left. So that is Pawan, Pawan, Pawan. Here also Pawan and Pawan. Okay, so these are going to be filled. Now we have everything with us. Okay, who is going to fill which all containers if all of them are means none of them is defective. Okay, if none of them are defective, then this is going to be the case. Now let's move towards the questions. So if at 5 p.m. none of the containers have more than 40 liters of water, more than 40 means above 40, which means it has to be a container which is filled by 3 people. Okay, if it is filled by 2 people, it only has 40 liters. So we have to concentrate only on the containers which are filled by 3 people. What is the minimum number of defective containers? So we have to concentrate on 4, 2 and 5. So let's say, because we have to find the minimum number, so let's say there is only one container defective. Acha, the containers depend upon in the direction right, left and downward. Okay, so let's say if container 2 is defective, then there will be no effect on container 4. Okay, similarly if container 5 is defective, there will be no effect on container 2 because it is in upward direction. And similarly if container 4 is defective, there will be no effect on container 2. So we can definitely say that exactly one of them is not defective. Okay, we cannot say that only one of them is defective if we have to fulfill this case. Now let's say 2 are defective. So for 2, what are the pairs? Pairs are 2 and 4, 2 and 5 and 4 and 5. If 4 and 5 are defected, there will be no effect on 2. But if 2 and 5 are defected, 4 will be affected, and if 2 and 4 are defected, then 5 will be affected. So what we can say is that if a minimum of two containers, that is either 2 and 4 or either 2 and 5 are defective, then each of the containers will have less than 40 liters of water. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is going to be option number B, that is 2. Let's move ahead. If container 8 was not filled by any of the 4% during the day, which of the containers must definitely be defective? Acha, container 8 is this one. It is filled by Latif and Pawan. To be filled by Latif, see what Latif is only filling the containers to the left. Okay. So of the filled one. So if container 9 is, because why did he fill container 8? He filled container 8 because container 9 was filled. So if container 9 is defective, then definitely Latif is not going to fill. Okay. So this is the case. The container was not filled by any of the persons. So for Latif, we have found out that it is container 9. Acha, but the thing is, for Pawan it can be any other one. Okay, it can be any other one. But for Latif, the sure shot case is that 9 has to be defective. If 9 is at any case correct, that means it is not defective, then 100% Latif is going to fill it. So what we can definitely say is that for Latif not to fill container 8, we have to make container 9 a defective one. Okay, so that means we can definitely say that container 9 is the one which has to be definitely defective. Okay, let's move to the third and the last question now. So the third question says that if at 2 p.m. each of the non-defective containers has at most 20 liters of water, what is the minimum number of containers that must be defective? Okay, so we are talking about at 2 p.m. So first thing is that at 2 p.m. Pawan is not going to fill any of the containers. So what we can do is we can remove every place where Pawan is, we have put Pawan in place. Okay, we can remove every Pawan from every place. So Pawan is gone. Okay, Pawan is gone. Acha, now it is saying that there has to be only at max 20 liters of water. Okay, so 20 liters means there has to be only one person who has filled the container. So acha, so we do not need to worry about 7, 8, 9 and 3 and 6. We do not need to worry about them. We only need to worry about these four, because only in these four there are 40 liters of water. So what we can say is, because we know that containers are affected in right, left and downward. So if one is effective, if one is defective, then there will be no effect on number 5. Similarly, if 4 is defective, there will be no effect on number 2. 5 is defective, no effect on number 2. 2 is defective, no effect on number 4. So what we can say is that if two of them are defective, that is, let's say 1 and 2 are defective. Let's say 1 and 2. Just take an example. Okay, it can be 1 and 4 also, because if 1 and 4 are defective, then they will affect 2 and 5. So that can also be the case. But the minimum number of defective ones required are only 2. We can do this question in the same way in which we did the first question. Okay, so they both are on the similar lines. So by going by that method only, we can say that there are two containers, minimum number of containers which are defective, for all the non-defective containers to have at most 20 liters of water at 2 p.m. Okay. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have understood the set well. So thanks for watching the video.